You pick it up without thinking twice. An organic strawberry. It looks healthy, clean, sustainable. But let's rewind to the field where this strawberry grew and to the organic farmer behind it. Faced with fungal diseases like grey mold, the farmer turns to one of the few tools allowed in organic farming, copper-based fungicides. But copper builds up in the soil. It harms earthworms, beneficial microbes, and pollutes nearby water. Also, sulfur is still widely used in organic farming and harms the soil. Moreover, sulfur is especially toxic to bees and other beneficial insects. And when it comes to nutrients, organic farmers often depend on compost or manure imported and often made from conventional farming. While these materials are organic in composition, they are not certified organic and can carry pesticide residues. Organic farmers urgently need better tools. BIO² is answering this call, turning underused natural resources into powerful bio-based products. We are developing solutions in 3 key areas. First, BIO² strengthens plants with natural protection using beneficial yeast and bacteria similar to probiotics. Just as probiotics support our gut health, these microbial allies help strawberries and other crops resist disease. To boost their performance, we wrap them in natural shells made of algae polymers and calcium phosphate, like a delivery capsule, so they stay active longer and work more reliably in the field. Second, we produce bio-based fertilizers made from fish side streams, seaweed, helpful microbes, and even recycled human urine, tailored for crops like potatoes, wheat, strawberries, and grapes. And third, BIO² develops natural health products for animals like microbial immunostimulants made from non-living mycobacteria and corynebacteria. These activate the animal's immune system, helping to prevent infections before they occur, similar to a vaccine. Why is this important? Because even in organic farming, antibiotics are still used when animals fall ill, and overuse can lead to antibiotic resistance, a growing threat to both animal and human health. We are working side by side with organic farmers across Europe, testing these tools in real fields under real conditions, and every step is assessed for safety, effectiveness, and sustainability. BIO² brings together 20 partners from across Europe, including research institutes, universities, technical advisors and organic farmer networks, circular economy innovators, and leading companies in fertilizers and crop protection. We are making organic farming stronger, for more enjoyable, healthy food and a greener future for everyone. BIO², natural innovations for organic farming.